Being seen at night has never been easier thanks to the 360-degree LED RGB whip from the team at Snake Racing, and installing it is a breeze. A 12mm hole is needed to mount the base of the whip, which you would find on just about all four-wheel drive bull bars. Snake Racing offer a multitude of mounting solutions for endless applications. Check them out on the Snake Racing website. Once the base is mounted and tightened up, you can simply slip the whip onto the base by pulling up the locking collar and sliding it onto the base and releasing the collar to lock it on. The wire that comes from the whip itself features a 4-prong connector with a keyway. Line up the keyway with the female end that runs to the control box, slip them together and tighten up the threaded collar. It's not recommended to run the wiring directly to the battery, as interference could potentially turn the whip on. We suggest that a simple inline switch is installed so that the whip can be physically disabled when not in use. Alternatively, you could run the wiring through your vehicle's ignition system so that the power is isolated when the ignition is switched off. Once you're wired up, you're ready to go. The whip's remote control is easy to understand and operate, so have some fun learning all of the functions. To find out more, head to snakeracing.com.au.